In today's video, I'm going to give you 12 products that you can start selling this festive season and make extra 30k into your pocket on top of the profit that you will be making with the products that you have now, because the products that I'm going to be giving you, they perform well in festive season, meaning that in the next 3 to 4 weeks you can leverage and go right now and buy these products and make money. This is just going to be an extra 30k plus. It's going to depend on how many products you stock up. So if you're already selling and you have enough budget, you will be able to make more than 30k. Now, all these products are going to do well in this season, but even if you want to sell after this season, you can still make money, but not as much as now. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ere, and in today's video I will be giving you those 12 products, and these products are not only going to be 12, because some under one product you can find that you can buy more products under one. So this is going to be about 30 products that you're going to get today in this video. And the first product that I want to talk about is the braai or BBQ accessories and equipment or tools. These are things like your braai stands, your braaiing forks, so everything that has to do with braaiing, the tools and equipment that people use when they are braaiing. Those are the products that now people are just going to take their leaves from work and they just want to sit and braai this whole season. So if you run now to your suppliers and get this product, these are the products that are going to do so well. I'm not really gonna dwell into one product. I will just be showing you what I'm talking about on the sides. So that's our first product. The second product that I'm going to talk about is solar powered gadgets or chargers. Now that people will be traveling a lot, some will just be going to places where they will be camping and they will need chargers, but because some places won't have electricity, and when you're traveling you're going to need to charge your phone or to just charge your lamps, anything that needs to be charged or to be powered. So if you can sell these gadgets or solar powered gadgets, this is a very good opportunity for you to make money, and that's our second product. The third product is luxury chocolates and sweets. Now we also gonna need this, especially for kids or even for adults. If you're gonna be buying chocolates or luxury chocolates, this is the time that people feel like after all the hard work from January to November, they just wanna spoil themselves, they just wanna spend their money, and they are willing to spend it in anything that's gonna make them feel good about their hard work that they have been putting throughout the years. So if they can spoil themselves with some chocolates and sweets, these are good products that you can stock up and sell. So if you are into groceries or you sell groceries in your shop, in your Takealot shop, this is a good product to also stock up, or you can stock up all the products that I'm going to be talking about here today. So let's move to the fourth product, portable outdoor furniture. As I have spoken about traveling and camping, even when people are just sitting at home outdoors, they want some chairs, portable chairs that they can just go and sit under a shade and just be talking and also be braaiing. So they are going to also need furniture, tables if they are braaiing, chairs if they're going to sit outside. So these are also some of the things that you have to stock up and sell. I know that these are heavy goods, but the good thing about these bigger products, and since they make a lot of profit, is that you can sell them on lead time, meaning that you just have to have them in your hand, and then when there is a customer, that's when you ship to Takealot warehouses. That's our fourth product. The fifth product is wine and wine accessories. So if you're not selling wine, you can still buy accessories like your wine opener, glasses, wine glasses. All these products that I'm talking about are related. If people are camping outside, if people are braaiing, some are going to be drinking their wines, so they are going to need the accessories, wine openers, wine glasses. So all of these products that I've already spoken about, you can also sell all of them because they are very much related. Outdoor equipment, furnitures, BBQ tools, and also wine openers or wine accessories as your fifth product. The sixth product that I'm going to talk about is spices or sauces or blends. So now when people are braaiing Also, if you're in groceries, you can buy spices or sell spices. And the good thing about these products is that they are non-perishable. So these are not products that you know that they are going to get rotten when you're selling them, because they're non-perishable. You can keep them in your warehouse for a year and they still have a good shelf life. So these are the products that you can buy and also sell. Or together with your barbecue tools, you also add some spices, some sauces, some marinades, or all the blends that you can think of that you know that people are gonna need right now that it's festive season. Just add on to that. That was your 6th product. The 7th product is customized and personalized gifts. Now it's time to give. So you can think of things that you can sell as a hamper, like maybe a wallet together with a belt, together with also maybe a tie or cufflinks. So you just put a package together and you sell them as hampers or as a gift set, and people are really gonna buy this. So you just have to think about things that are gonna really make a good gift. Even with chocolates, you can do that as a gift hamper and you sell those. So you just have to be maybe 4 pieces and then you make that a gift. And for kids, you can sell toys. For girls, dolls, and there are dolls now that even with a battery, it can just move on its own. Those are good gifts that you can sell now. And for boys, it's just going to be toys, stunt toys that you can start selling. That was our 7th product, board games. Now that people will be at home looking for things to do, board games are really good products that you can start selling, because people will be buying these in masses. They just want to sit at home in the afternoon or under a shade, or when they are also braaiing, they are also playing these board games. So these are other products that you can add onto your list of products that you can buy. So that was our 8th product. The next product is eco-friendly home products. These are products that are going to be good for the environment, like reusable water bottles. Instead of people having a lot of cans when they're drinking or when they have a lot of water bottles, you can sell reusable bottles. And when people are sitting now that it's hot, they are drinking their beverages, whatever beverage they're drinking, they have a bottle that they just have to reuse. They don't have to throw away a lot of cans and bottles. Those are the kind of eco-friendly products that I'm talking about, like your bamboo toothbrushes, products that are good for the environment and you know that people are going to need now, or when they're sitting they need them. And I've also spoken about solar powered chargers. Those are also eco-friendly products. So reusable water bottles, reusable shopping bags, solar powered chargers, and also what was the other one was bamboo toothbrushes. So those are the products that you can look into. So that was our 9th product. Let's move to the next product. The next product is luxury pots. This is the season where people will want to try out different recipes. They will just be sitting at home or wanting to cook. So if you have luxury pots in mind and you have already seen something that you can sell in luxury, this is a good time to sell them, because people are not really afraid to spend their money. This is a spending season. Even if your prices are a little bit higher, it's still going to be sellable this season. And also adding some homeware, you can add spoons that are luxury, you can add maybe bowls that are luxury as well, because this season they will do well. And now that I've spoken about cooking pots, the other product that will do well is receipt books. People are going to need receipts because they now have time to cook, like I said when I spoke about the cooking pots. If you can sell receipt books, this is the right time to sell them, because together with the pots, they will do well. The last product that I'm going to talk about is outdoor adventure gears and accessories. These will be things like your mosquito nets, thermos. As people will be outdoor, they will need thermos, they will need power banks, they will need chargers. So all these things, they connect with the other because they're almost related. And some first aid kits. if people will be outdoor and it's hot, or maybe they just hurt themselves a little bit, they will need the first aid kit. So outdoor, it has a lot of things to go with. So just think about somebody who is traveling, who is outdoors at this season. What are the things that they're gonna need as their accessories, and you will be on the right track. So we've come to the end of our video. That's all, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.